As home and shopping editors, we're obsessive about all things convenient, multifunctional, and durable. So of course we had to try for ourselves one of the most useful tools you should have in your car, home, or pocket. Whether you're tackling a DIY project or you just like to be prepared for the unexpected, a multi-tool is the most practical and portable way to keep your essential tools on hand. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 multi-tools on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Gerber Gear Dime 12-in-1 Mini Multi-Tool. This Gerber multi-tool is completely portable and pocket-sized, so you can carry it with you to stay prepared for unexpected tasks. It even includes a lanyard ring to attach it to your keychain. It's equipped with 12 different functions, which is impressive given its compact and lightweight design. It includes a straight-edge stainless steel knife blade, as well as a package opener for cutting and scoring plastic retail packages. There are also pliers, wire cutters, 2 flathead drivers, files, scissors, tweezers, and even a bottle opener. During testing, we liked that the pliers were spring action, so they were released with minimal effort. While the pliers were effective in our tests, they didn't have as much leverage as larger versions due to the compact size of the multi-tool. The slim design and butterfly opening allowed for easy accessibility during our tests, and we liked that the bottle opener was accessible even when the multi-tool was closed. Number 2. Leatherman. The Leatherman Wave Plus multi-tool has every tool you need to get a job done, without any excess tools that would make it cumbersome to carry. It includes a regular knife, a serrated knife, spring-action scissors, and a saw to make quick work of any cutting or sawing jobs on your list. It also has 2 sets of pliers, both Needlenose and regular. If those tools weren't already enough, it also includes a wire stripper, a bottle and can opener, a ruler, multiple screwdriver sizes, and interchangeable bit drivers. It's small and lightweight enough to carry without compromising on necessary features. This multi-tool could easily fit in our pockets, but it also came with a nylon sheath to wear on a belt. During our testing, we found that it could be opened with just one hand, which made it easier to use on the go. Number 3. Gerber Gear Truss 17-in-1 Needlenose Pliers Multi-Tool. This affordable multi-tool from Gerber Gear can serve as a reliable sidekick for your day-to-day tasks. During testing, we found that it fit comfortably in our pant pockets, making it a good option to carry around for everyday use. The tool also included a sheath that can be worn vertically or horizontally on your belt. We found each of the tools to be durable and effective in our tests, particularly the sturdy spring-loaded pliers, easy-to-use bottle openers, and sharp blades. When we used this tool to cut through plastic, rope, wire, and other materials, we found that the knives, scissors, and wire cutters were sharp enough to efficiently complete the task at hand. In order to prevent accidental injury, the tools have a locking mechanism that causes a small amount of resistance when opening. The tools are released using a push and slide button, which adds an additional element of safety. Number 4. Leatherman Skeletal Lightweight Multi-Tool. This multi-tool has an intelligent selection of tools that make a great companion on your next camping trip. The pocket-sized design features a belt clip and a carabiner clip, which doubles as a bottle opener, so it can easily attach to a belt or camping bag. If you want to continue using the multi-tool after your camping adventure ends. It's equipped with 7 tools, including 2 pairs of pliers, Needlenose and regular, an exchangeable bit driver, and 2 types of wire cutters. It also features 2 screwdriver tips, a Phillips head and flathead, and the extra tip is stored securely in the body of the tool. We like that this multi-tool has a 2-in-1 blade that is serrated on one side and smooth on the other. During testing, we found the blade to be sharp and easy to use right out of the box, even with one hand. Number 5. Rock Hammer Multi-Tool Gifts for Men. This multi-tool plus hammer offers the durable tools you need to take care of business, regardless of the task at hand. The hammer makes it an especially smart choice for home improvement jobs and DIY projects. In addition to the hammer, this multi-tool features several sharp blades, including a saw, a serrated and a regular knife, and wire cutters. The wire cutters seamlessly cut through the copper wire in our testing. Although it lacks scissors, the other blades are sufficient for most tasks. Besides its blades, this multi-tool has all of the basic tools you need, including flathead and Phillips screwdriver, 2 kinds of pliers, a bottle opener, a prying claw, and more. The Rock multi-tool is on the large side for a multi-tool due to the addition of the hammer, But the size is perfect to store in your garage to avoid pulling out your entire toolbox. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.